this is question number 20. We are given 3x positive y is equal to 11, x squared negative 2y is equal to 18. We are expected to solve this. Now I'm going to take this as 1 and 2. From 1 we have, so what do we have? I can rewrite this as y is equal to 11 negative 3x and substitute this in 2. So therefore we can rewrite 2 to be as x squared negative 2 times of 11 negative 3x is equal to 18. This is x squared negative 22 positive 2 times 3 is 6, x is equal to 18. So you got x squared positive 6x negative 22 negative 18 is equal to 0, which means x squared positive 6x, this is going to be 30 and 40 is equal to 0. I'm going to use quadratic, and that would mean x is equal to negative 6 plus or minus root of 36 negative 4 times and a c, that's going to be 40 there with a negative sign, divided by 2. This is negative 6 plus or minus root of 36 positive 160 divided by 2. So this is going to be negative 6 plus or minus root of 0 added with 6 will give me 6, 6 added with 3 will give me 9, 196 divided by 2. Now 196 is going to give me plus 14 over 2, which is going to be 8 over 2, which is going to be 4 here. Also you get negative 6 negative 14 divided by 2, which is negative 20 divided by 2 is equal to negative 10. So the solution is going to be negative 10 comma 4. This is for x value, right? Both of them are x values. Now you need to go back and get the y value. So how do I get the y value? When x is equal to negative 10, you substitute here. So 1 is going to be equal to 3 times of negative 10 positive y is equal to 11, negative 30 positive y is equal to 11. You push this to the other side. Y is equal to 11 positive 30, which means y is equal to 41. So you have negative 10 comma 41 as one value. Now the next value, when x is equal to 4, the same thing, you make the substitution over here. 1 is equal to 3 times of 4 positive y is equal to 11. So 12 positive y is equal to 11. Move this 12 to the other side. So y is equal to 11 negative 12, which means y is equal to negative 1. So therefore, when x is equal to 4, you have y value being negative 1. So you can box this over here, box this over here. So that's the solution for this question. Students,